Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. I take this the 7 days English speaking challenges. Yeah. And today I'm talk about you my days. My days. And I woke up early in morning 4:30 a.m. but I have not prepared this food because my husband is not take this the tiffin bag. He has go to he's a go to company, but he is not taking this the tiffin bag because my husband has a meeting, and he go to the company. Yeah. And after that, me and my daughter and my son, I live in my home because my son and my daughter is a today is a holiday. Yeah, only 2 days holiday because government is a announcement the children is not go to school because lots of rain. Yeah, it is weather is not good, and the government is announcement is not good. It is today is a holiday. Okay guys, and after that I have start my speaking practice, and I recording myself. And uh, after that I prepared this food for my children and my daughter. Yes. And I will making this uh, chapati and moth beans. Yes. And today is my fast. Okay, today is my fast. I have not eat. Yeah, I have not eating any foods. Okay, I am only eating this. I am only drink this tea. Yeah, milk. Okay, guys, and let's go. And after that, I have started my classes. Okay, guys, and I have learned this one probels. One probels means probels means money. Yeah, money. No pawns, no gains. Yeah, this is meaning is a kashta vina fal nahi. Yeah, you will not try to speak, you will not try to learn, you will not getting this result. Okay, every day your small step, after that your big result. Yes guys, but you will not try, you will not speak, you will not getting this result. Okay, but you will try to speak, and you will try to learn. If you are beginner, if you are a student and you are passionate about this language, yeah, you will you will try, you should learn, because learning is the most of important in your life. Okay, every day you try to speak, every day you try to learn, definitely after that you are getting this result. First time you will not getting this result, but definitely after that you are getting this result, and your result is a good. Okay, you're after that getting this a good result, and you can looking for yourself, and I am speak very well, you will speak very well. Okay guys, keep learning, keep practicing. Okay, and sooner or later definitely you can speak very well. Okay, and don't be off and on, you are speaking practice. Okay guys, thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak, keep learning, keep practicing. I will meet next video. Bye bye.